Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So you can either use the button with like 2 lines, I would say, if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, and if you've got the gestures, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that, and after releasing you can see that here we've got the recents. So if you want to, you can close only one of those apps just by finding it and swiping it up, or you can just tap on clear all and all of the apps will be closed. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.